In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use V-Bucks gift card on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem a V-Bucks gift card and receive the V-Bucks so you can spend it in the item shop within your Xbox Series X. Now, to do this, you actually have to do it outside of the game. You can only redeem a V-Bucks gift card if you do it through the website at Fortnite.com. So go over to a web browser on your computer or your phone, or even the console itself if you'd like. And when you access this page, you will be able to sign into your Epic Games account. You will be able to sign in using your Epic Games email and password, or you can choose the option to sign in with your Xbox account. Regardless of which option you choose, once you are signed in, you will be able to hover over more and choose V-Bucks at the top. You will be redirected into this page. Redeem your V-Bucks card. Cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. An Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. Click Get Started below to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks. And as you can see, under the supported devices, they do have Xbox consoles. So just click Get Started and now input the code that you want to redeem. As you can see, what they have to say is that you should turn over your card and scratch off the security covering. So it is right on the back of the card. Scratch off the security covering, retrieve the code, and input it here. Click Next, and if the code is valid and the gift card was properly activated in the counter, then you will be good to go. You will receive the V-Bucks and you can spend them within the item shop on Fortnite on Xbox Series X or any other console. I hope I was able to help you on how to use V-Bucks gift card on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.